In this video, we're going to show you how to make a sweet and decadent iced tea from the tropical beaches of southern Thailand. Teamotions Thai Coconut Chai Iced Tea. For this recipe, we'll be using Teamotions Seek Peace. It's an authentic chai tea made from red rooibos with chai spices and real coconut bits. Our first step will be to cold brew our Seek Peace at double strength. Using our Teamotions iced tea maker, we will place 10 scoops of Seek Peace tea in the infuser and fill the iced tea maker with 5 cups of room temperature water, then place in the fridge to steep overnight. Once you have your Seek Peace tea cold brewed, fill a glass with ice and add 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. Careful, this could get a little messy. 2. And then we're gonna fill our glass halfway up with coconut cream. You can always use coconut milk for a less rich version. After you've added your coconut cream, fill the rest of the glass up with your delicious cold brewed Seek Peace tea. Serve with a long spoon or stir stick to mix. Enjoy.